Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create this type 3D layer text effect in PixelLab. As usual, this text effect is 100% editable. Comment below on which topic you want to see the next video. Check my last 3D light sign text effect video, and I have provided free PLP file. Without taking much time, let's start the video. Let's open PixelLab application. First of all, import this color palette. Color palette link in description. Go ahead and download it. Lock this layer. Click on plus icon. Open text option and type nice day text and click OK. Scroll down and go to font option. Select fonts free font link given in description. Bring the font in the middle. I change background color, so go to third option, open color option, select plus icon. Select this blue color like this. Use this color code. Copy this text. Hide first layer. Select second layer. Go to color option. And pick this orange-yellow color. Use this color code. After, go to inner shadow option and enable it. Click on plus icon. Pick this yellow color. Use this color code and click OK. Blur radius decrease to 0. Offset X and Y value is -10 and -10, respectively. After, select first layer and copy it. First layer, move to third layer position. Hide third layer. Select first layer. Bring the font in the middle. Select second layer and bring the font in the middle. Hide second layer. Select first layer and go to color option and create transparent color like this and click OK. After, go to inner shadow option and enable it. Click on plus icon and pick this light yellow color like this. Use this color code. Blur radius to 0. Offset X and Y value is 10 and 10, respectively. Unhide second and third layer. Select second layer and go to shadow option and enable it, and click on plus icon. Pick this brown color like this. Offset X and Y value is 5 and 5, respectively. Lock first and second layer. Select third layer. Go to color option. Click on plus icon and select this pink color like this. Use this color code. Copy this text layer and go to color option and create transparent color like this. Scroll down and go to stroke option and enable it. Click plus icon and select white color. This layer move to bottom side like this. Arrange this font like this. This 3D layer text effect is done. This project PLP file link given in description. Please share this video with others and don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe my channel. See you in next video.